Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys my skincare routine, and I'll be introducing this new product I've been using called the Radiance Skincare System, and I must say it's definitely helped make my routine easier and more effective. The products I'll be using are by Dermalogica. I started using this brand when I was working at Ulta, and it has definitely been working for my skin type. And I thought I'd show you guys this cute little mask kit that I picked up as well. On one end you can crush your ingredients and mix with the other, and if you are using perishable items in your mask, you can easily close it and store it in the fridge for later. And this is the mask applicator brush, and it is nice and soft. Okay, I'm going to wet my face, and this is the product, guys. I love it. It has 3 interchangeable brushes and a pumice stone. Okay, so now I'm going to add my cleansing brush attachment and make sure it's nice and wet. So now that my face and brush is wet, I'm going to add the special cleansing gel into the palms of my hands and massage it into my face, and then I'm going to use the brush to cleanse. On the left is the exfoliating attachment, and on the right is the cleansing. The bristles on the cleansing attachment are more translucent. So now I'm going to apply my skin prep scrub, and I'm going to massage it in very well. That way I can remove all the excess dirt and oil from my face, so my skin can be ready to absorb all the product and moisture that I apply. Okay, so now my face is rinsed, and now it's really time to exfoliate. I am using the Daily Microfoliant, and it is a rice-based powder. And when you apply this, make sure your face is damp, because when it contacts water, it turns into a paste-like form, and it releases papain and salicylic acid, and it helps give your skin a brighter appearance and makes it more refreshed. So now I am using my exfoliating attachment and really massaging it into my skin, and it is the best, guys. I love it. And what I love about this product is you see this huge attachment. This is in a body piece attachment, and you can use it on your body if you have acne or other skin problems. OMG, you guys, I feel so refreshed. So I just sprayed my toner, and I'm gonna let that dry, fan it a little bit, and if you dance, it does help it dry faster. I skipped my mask today because I will be doing a separate DIY tutorial on my facial mask, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to apply my moisturizer, and also after moisturizer, make sure you apply sunscreen. I didn't record that, but yes, that also is an important step. All done. I feel so fresh and so clean. I love it. Can you guys tell a difference? No, maybe? Yes, I can. I definitely feel different. Yes, and I appreciate you watching this tutorial. And yes, of course, it wouldn't be a Play Slays video without me being extra.